Ganda, buhol-buhol na siya. Dead or alive? Ay! Wala na siyang power. Wala na siyang power ng mangagat. Ayan.
So we're laughing it, so we're getting
Buhay pa naman siya, guys. Kanina pa namin to sa ilalim dinaano eh. Gusto mo yung kay Paul? Paul, can I borrow your knife?
yeah, in a minute.
Matalas. Very good knife. Diyan, oh.
Use a serrated. Yeah, that'll cut through quite quickly.
Oh my gosh. Remember how many minutes I cut this one underwater? But I couldn't. I said enough. Enough.
So you don't realise until you need your knife just how ineffectual it is unless you've used it.
Talaga mo siya. Buhay pa siya. Ay,
Oh, you keep twisting, mate.
almost dying. Hey, hey, are you okay? No power na siya makapag-ipit. Kapag ito nang ipit, masakit to. Come on, Jaja.
Cha-cha the surgeon.
Almost.
I'm surprised I haven't pinched you.
No power.
No power.
For 1 week. Hey, he's still alive.
Yes, he is. Use the other side. It shreds through it quickly. I could hear you bap, bap, bap,
Yeah,
for
I'm.
me.
No.
Oh, it's a chat, because...
Huh.
No, because you. When I looked up, I saw you both above me.
Ah,
I thought you were
yeah.
looking for me, yeah?
It's because the net.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Well, no, what I was doing is balling the net up, doing that one over the side here.
Chacha, come on, faster. He's dying. Baka mo.
Oh, yeah. Watch air on.
Oh my gosh. Baka maputol yung tangkay niya. Almost. Lumabas ka na daw. Yalla, one more.
No, it's about a finger.
Yes. Yalla, habibi, yalla. Another one.
Is it almost free?
Yeah.
Scissors is what you need. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, scissors. We don't have scissors. Shout out to all surgeon. We need help.
You got to send some pictures to Amy about this as well. Ifan will love this.
Ah.
Crab rescue.
Almost. But the hammer I will not rescue.
If it's still there, we'll get it out for you. Right?
No, I'm going to take it up, believe me.
The cage is open, so if he's found his way out, he's found his way out.
Give him his freedom. Let him go and make lots of baby hammer.
There's about 4 of them.
No, they have big one. Maybe around 5 to 6 kilos. Oh my god.
Give Brian a few dinar.
Where's the Brian right now? Brian, I miss Brian. Or else when Brian is here, you know.
Oh, he's got arms that are long enough to reach in and grab anything out of the fish pot. Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Aywa.
Yeah, good.
Almost, baby. Aywa. You're alive, yeah? But no power. Ayan, no?
Yes.
Yes! Good job, Jaja! Come on. Hey!
Nagbababos na.
Saan?
Nagbababos na siya, oh.
What's that mean?
Pon, banana.
What's that mean?
It's breathing. It's breathing.
Really?
Let him rest. He's tired. Oh, thank you. Banana.
Come on, baby. Move. Move your ass. Aywa. He's moving. Uh-huh. Don't bite me, wallah. Huh? Still alive. Aywa. More. Khalas. Aha.
Hintay mo lang.
Oh, he's moving. Whoop. Khalas. You want to eat? Okay. Don't bite me, wallah. Bye. You are what? Who you are? What's your name?
Basket.
Yallah. Bye. Enjoy. Dive freely. Woo! Drop. Bye.
May bubble siya.
Bye. Good job, Surgeon Chacha.
Hungry.
Hungry?